In today's video, I'm going to show the prep work and welding that went into the trailer I modified for my tiny house on wheels. In previous videos, I showed how I demolished an old RV to use the frame for the foundation of my tiny house. Once I'd stripped it down to the bare metal frame, I needed to sandblast, paint, and add some additional metal for structural support. I'm concerned that my trailer won't be heavy duty enough to handle the weight of my tiny house. RV trailers aren't really designed to carry that much weight. If I were to do this project again, I'd probably opt for a professionally built trailer, but at the same time, part of the challenge was to try and build everything myself. My buddy Jeff came out to help me with the welds and make sure this thing was nice and sturdy. Once the basic frame was complete, I riveted large chunks of sheet metal to my frame. This would prevent anything from penetrating the bottom of my house while it was being towed to its final location. We fabricated some custom wheel wells out of sheet metal to go around the tires. I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. In the next video, I'll show how we framed the tiny house. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content like this.